Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how the pros monetize inflation step by step. Most people experience inflation as a slow leak, but owners use a simple structure to turn it into growth. Let me show you how this works. In 1694, King William III faced a simple problem. He was out of gold and out of money to fund his war. So he helped create the Bank of England and began issuing paper notes backed by nothing but confidence. That shift from gold to printed promises is where inflation truly began. Inflation doesn't hit all at once. It creeps in at about 3% a year. And real estate turns that same force into an advantage by resetting income and value higher. When you apply leverage, inflation stops stealing and starts working for you. Stick with me and you'll see how to get on the winning side of it. I'm Steve Nauert and I've closed over 100 apartment deals, and trust me, the wins were great, but the losses are what really taught me how this game works. I sharpened those lessons with finance training at UCLA extension classes, and now I'm giving you the same tool I use every day, the GroStax Follow-Along Calculator, so you can evaluate a deal like an old broker who's seen it all. Here's what really happens to your savings once taxes and inflation step in. You might earn $6,000 on $100,000, but taxes take a chunk and inflation quietly erases the rest. When the dust settles, your real gain is only a few $100s, and that's the part most people never see. For decades, inflation was relatively contained, but after 1971, the system changed in a meaningful way. Once money was no longer tied to gold, prices began behaving differently over time, and this chart shows where that change happened. Once inflation took hold in the 1970s, prices began resetting higher year after year. As population and housing demand grew, home prices moved up almost in lockstep with inflation. This isn't speculation, it's the long-term pattern. Rents rise right along with prices, and each increase builds on a larger base. And that's why inflation curves upward and starts to feel like it speeds up. 3% on top of last year's 3% becomes a much bigger number over time. Once you understand that compounding, you can finally use it to your advantage. Inflation actually makes you richer in two ways at the same time. It pushes your apartment building's value higher as rents rise, and it quietly discounts your fixed loan because you're paying it back with cheaper dollars each year. Your asset goes up, your real debt costs go down, and that widening gap is where your wealth is created. The gross rent multiplier is simply the value the market puts on a dollar of rent. In strong neighborhoods, that dollar is worth more, and in weaker ones, it's worth less. Multiply a building's annual income by the gross rent multiplier, and you can estimate its value in seconds, which explains why identical income can produce very different prices depending on where the building sits. The gross rent multiplier turns rent into borrowing power. Banks assume about 70% of each rent dollar can cover a loan payment, and that payment capacity drives how much you can borrow, which means a simple $100 a month rent increase can support roughly $12,000 in loan capacity, tax deferred until the sale. That's how a small rent bump becomes a real cash in a refinance, with the tenants paying it back for you. Now let's bring this back to the gross rent multiplier. The building stays the same and the loan stays the same. But as rents rise over time, annual income increases from $125,000 a year to $158,000. The gross rent multiplier converts that higher income into more building value, which creates roughly $260,000 of additional borrowing capacity. Four forces, cash flow, depreciation, loan paydown, and rising value work together to produce about a 21% total yield. And the real magic isn't that it doesn't happen just once. That 21% compounds year after year. Stack those gains over time and you're on your way to building a real fortune. Apartment buildings beat inflation in four powerful ways. Rents rise with prices, and rising rents increase the building's value. That higher value expands your borrowing power, and leverage multiplies every gain. Each step builds on the next. And that's why apartment building owners don't just survive inflation, they use it to their advantage. This calculator gives you the power to run the assumptions and see the outcomes for yourself. When you understand the numbers, you walk into a deal knowing more than the listing agent or the realtor, relying on rules of thumb. That's how you learn to structure deals so the formulas actually work for you. So here's the answer. You turn rising rents into value you can borrow. You stop trying to fight inflation with cash and you shift into real assets. You let income rise faster than expenses year after year. And instead of starting over every time, you recycle that growth, refinancing, repositioning, and moving into the next deal. That's how income property monetizes inflation.